The latest Nano Banana updates are insane. So in this video, I'll show you how you can utilize it and create winning ads in less than 5 minutes with zero design experience. So first you need an ad that you want to iterate on. So for this example, I have an ad with $1 CPC, CTR below the benchmarks. So we are looking to do better. I have the preview of the ad, and you also need Google Gemini. So first we are going to create a new gem by clicking on gems and then creating a new gem. We are going to name it image-to-JSON, and then description is going to be add iteration, scale. And for the instructions, I have 4 steps. First, we are going to add the instructions to act as an image analyst. I'm going to copy and paste this. You can screenshot the video and add this to the instructions, and your gem is ready. So let's save and then start chat. Now what we need to do is add a screenshot of the ad we want to iterate on. So go back to your ad, take a screenshot. For this I'm using Lightshot extension. Just copy, paste to Gemini, and then it's going to split out a new long line of code. All right, here we have the code. So we are just looking to copy this and then open a new chat. Make sure you are on the create image feature that uses Nano Banana Pro, and then just paste. I'm not going to change any prompts, any codes. We are just going to iterate as is. So let's see what it comes up with. Let's submit. All right, and here we have the new version in about 2 minutes. Let's compare it to the original image. The messaging is basically the same. Someone going crazy, same text. To make more versions, you can adjust the code, or you can also ask Gemini to create 5 more versions of the same ad. All right, and I just asked it to create one new version. And then here again, the same image, just the eyes are closed. I think this method is way better to create ads. If you try it with a simple text describe or with a specific prompt, usually it takes 3 to 5 attempts to get it right. But with Gemini, I usually get it on the first shot, so let me know if you have tried it. If you are looking for more meta strategies, check out my other videos and check out the link in my description below.